Say hi, Katie. Why are you all curled up in the chair all by yourself? Hmm? You're awful cute. Let's go pet you. Just a good girl. I don't know why you're in the chair, though. Katie, look at me. Look. Look. Stinks in here. Did you do a poo? Gonna go see Grandma. Oh, look who it is. Hi. Say hi, Mom.
Hello.
Where'd Baxter go?
I don't know. All of a sudden, no dogs were here, but... Oh, now she's gone too.
Here comes Katie.
Hi, Katie. No, there's no dogs were here, but Piper.
There's Katie coming to see
Hi,
you.
Katie. And a scratchy face?
There's Baxter.
A rubby brain? Rubby brain? Okay. Scratchy ears? Scratchy face? Yeah, you ate that, huh? Okay, rubber brain, huh? No lickies. Oh.
Wave to Elby.
Be safe, Elby. Tasha too. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.